Welcome to my channel. This is Vicky. Today's lesson is 100 words native speakers of English commonly pronounce differently than the spelling. Part 1. This will be a series of 100 words. I may add another series later. But the following lesson on words commonly pronounced differently than the way you see the spelling. Note that all pronounced words are correct, but pronounced differently by different people. We'll mainly be concentrating on how native speakers of American English usually pronounce these words. Please repeat after me and pause the video if you need to, or watch it a few times. You should repeat the word at least 4 times, especially if it's new to you. I'll repeat the words 2 times only in order to keep the video short, and I can include more words in here. I'll also cut down on inserting pictures that I usually add for your reference. You can use the CC captions in your language if you need to. Click on the CC icon. Should be on the top right. Then choose your language. This will make the closed caption show up in your language if you want to see the translation. It would be a good idea for you to write each word with the pronunciations in your English notebook. You can always write your native language translation next to each word if it helps you. It's your notebook. Do what you like. Again, some words have more than one pronunciation. This is because different people pronounce them differently. All are okay to use. You choose the most comfortable way to pronounce them, the one that's easier for you to be able to say. Our goal is to be able to say the words, to communicate and be understood in English, and also to sound like a native speaker. Okay, let's go. Breakfast. Breakfast. Probably. Probably. Or probably. Probably. Vegetable. Vegetable. Favorite. Favorite. Problem. Problem. Security. Security. Wednesday. Wednesday. Some people say Wednesday. Wednesday. February. February. Some people say February. February. Comfortable. Comfortable. Library. 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 Often. Often. Government. 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 Chocolate. Chocolate. Vehicle. Vehicle. Almond. Almond. Clothes. Clothes. Vegetable. Vegetable. Athlete. Athlete. Caramel. Caramel. Or caramel. Caramel. Envelope. Envelope. Advertisement. advertisements, missile, missile, jewelry, jewelry. Some people say jewelry, jewelry, diamond, 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 diamond. Interesting, interesting. Magazine, magazine. Avenue, avenue. Camera, camera. History, history. Family, family, family. Hotel, hotel. Orange, orange. Pizza, pizza. Doctor, doctor. Banana, banana. Actor, actor. Barter, barter, barter. Espresso, espresso. Or espresso, espresso. Nuclear, nuclear. Restaurant, 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 restaurant. Business, business. Raspberry, 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 raspberry. Candidate, candidate. Corporation, corporation. Schedule, schedule. Aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. Advertisement, advertisement, advertisement. Coupon, coupon. Garage, garage, garage. Prescription, prescription, prescription. Spaghetti, spaghetti, spaghetti. Done for today. That's it for today's lesson. We practiced 50 words. See part 2 for 50 more words. Thank you for practicing with me. To view other videos, hit my channel name, Visionary Vicky, and then hit videos. Also, you can see links in the descriptions of other stories and lessons. Don't forget to hit the like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can find me again. See you soon. Bye-bye.